So in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your Oppo F21 Pro 5G using app called RAR. So in order to do this, first you will need to get this app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's move to our DCIM folder and then camera, cause that's where I store my RAR file. Now if I want to unpack it, I will need to press on it, and this particular RAR file is protected by a password, so now it's the time to enter it. Click OK, and here we have access to 3 files. Now let's select each of the files that we want to unpack, or simply if we want to unpack everything, click on this arrow pointing up button. Here we'll enter extraction options, go for the browse in order to pick the destination for these files, and I want them to be unpacked in movies. Click OK to save that. Here you can change the settings for unpacking, like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, and skip existing files. So that means when the RAR app encounters any duplicate files, it will perform this specific action. Here you can enable it to keep broken files, do not extract paths or display extracted files. After everything is set, click OK, and that way you will unpack 3 of the files. Now we can navigate to movies manually. And here's the 3 pictures that we've just unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.